Hello, akkam jirtu barattoota? Nagaa keessanii? Barattoota, har'a viidiyoo kana keessatti gaaffii dhimma weezarii fi kilaayimeet jedhaniin gaaffii 30 qabadhee waanan dhiyaadheedhaaf gaaffilee mata duree kana wajjin wal qabatanii ka'uu danda'an viidiyoo kana keessatti kan deebii argattan waan ta'eedhaaf qayyabannaa keessan G17 TV wajjin akka taasistan gamanumaan irra deebiidhaan isin affeera. Anaa dhufuu miseensonni haaraa gara G17 TV tti dhuftan. G17 TV wajjin ta'uun akka qayyabattan yeroo isin affeeru share, like, subscribe fi ኮመንት ጎቹ እንደገቲናን አፌራ ከኛ የሮው እንድማት እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች ሰላም ናችሁ? ተማሪዎች በዚህ ቪዲዮ ውስጥ ስለ ዌዘር እና ክላይሜት 30 ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። በዚህ ቪዲዮ ይህን ርዕስ አስመልክቶ ስለሚመጣው ፈተና ምንም የትም መሄድ የለባችሁ። ይህንን ቪዲዮ በአግባቡ አጠናቃችሁ ካጠናችሁ ስለ ክላይሜት እና ዌዘር የምትጠየቁ ጥያቄዎችን መመለስ የምትችሉ መሆኑን ባለሙሉ ተስፋ ነኝ። ለዚህ ይህ ቪዲዮ ያለምንም ጥርጥር የፈተናችሁ ይዘት መሆኑን አረጋግጥላችኋለሁ። Instruction says that choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. Which of the following is the main difference between weather and climate? ገራገሩማ ዌዘር ይፊ ክላይሜት ይከንተ ከን የዌዘር እና ክላይሜት ልዩነት የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. Weather is long term, climate is short term. B. Climate changes every day, weather remains constant. C. Weather refers to short-term atmospheric condition, climate refers to long-term patterns. D. Both refer to the same concept. Question number 2. Which of the following element is not a component of weather? Kanin armangaditi eraman kessa qabiye weather kanintane kan. ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የዌዘር ይዘት ያልሆነው የቱ ነው? A. Temperature. B. Humidity. C. Precipitation. D. Soil fertility. Question number 3. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa meeshaan dhiibbaa atmosferaa safaruuf oolu kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩ መሳሪያዎች የአትሞስፈርን ግፊት መለካት የሚችለው ማቴሪያል የቱ ነው? A. ባሮሜትር. B. ተርሞሜትር. C. አኒሞሜትር. D. rain gauge. Weather is a short-term atmospheric condition, whereas climate is a long-term patterns which needs averagely 35 years. So the correct answer for question number 1 is C. Question number 2. Temperature, humidity, precipitation are the components of weather, but soil is not the component of weather. Question number 3. Barometer used to measure atmospheric pressure, while anemometer is used to measure wind speed, and thermometer used to measure temperature, while rain gauge is used to measure rainfall. As a result, the correct answer for question number 3 is C. Question number 4. Which element of weather influences the type of clothes people wear daily? qaama weezarii kamtu uffannaa ilmi namaa guyyaa guyyaatti uffatu irratti dhiibbaa taasisa? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩ የዌዘር ኤሌመንቶች የሰው ልጆች የሚለብሱ ልብሶቻቸውን ቀን በቀን ተጽዕኖ የሚያሳድሩባቸው የትኛው ነው? A. Air pressure. B. Temperature. C. Wind direction. D. Humidity. Question number 5. The condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place is known as akkasitti isin gaafata mandiin ይጠየቃል. A. Climate. B. Season. C. Weather. D. Altitude. Question number 6. Which gas in the atmosphere plays a key role in weather changes? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Water vapor. qabiyyeen haala qilleensaa keessa ilma namaa irratti uffannaa uffatnu kan nu murteessuu danda'u ho'uu yookiin qorruu haala qilleensaati. የምንለብሰው ልብስ እንድንመርጥ ተጽዕኖ የሚያሳድርብን የዌዘር ኤሌመንት የሆነ የሙቀት ሁኔታ ነው። መጠነ ሙቀት temperature can affect the type of clothes the people are expected to wear daily. Weather is a condition of atmosphere which is known with short and variability within a day, a time, hour in specific areas. Weather የምንለው የአየር ሁኔታ ሀሊ ቅሌንሳ ጉያዳ ጉያት የሮዳ የሮት ኢዶቲ jijjiirama agarsiisa. Kanaaf kondiishiniin atmosferaa naannoo murtaa'aa fi sa'aatii murtaa'aa keessatti beekamu weዘር jedhama jechuudha. በሆነ አካባቢ ላይ ለተወሰነ ሰዓት የሚታወቀው የአትሞስፌሪክ ኤሌመንት weዘር ይባላል። C is the correct answer. Climate is a long atmospheric condition. It needs about 35 years in average. Altitude is about elevation. Season is also about the tilting of the earth. Okay. Question number 6. Water vapor is the key atmospheric gas that plays a key role in weather changes. This means it is vital for cloud formation and also precipitation. But oxygen and nitrogen are the abundant gases, but not they are weather drivers. Carbon dioxide contribute to the climate change, not the short-term weather patterns. D is the correct answer for question number 6. Question number 7. A hygrometer is used to measure A. Temperature, B. Humidity, C. Air pressure, D. Wind speed. Question number 8. A high pressure system usually brings በደንብ ልትረዱ ይገባል። A. Rain, B. Storms, C. Clear and dry weather, D. Snowfall. Question number 9. Which factor causes the variation in climate over different parts of the world? A. Shape of the earth, B. Latitude, C. Ocean salinity, D. Rock type. Question number 10. Which zone receives the most direct sunlight year round? Kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa naannoon xiyya ifa aduu kallattiidhaan waggaa guutuu argatu kan ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩ አካባቢዎች ዓመቱን ሙሉ የፀሐይን ጨረር ቀጥታ የሚያገኙ አካባቢ የቱ ነው? A. Polar, B. Temperate, C. Tropical, D. Desert. Hygrometer is the instrument that used to measure precipitation or humidity. B is the correct answer. The instrument that used to measure temperature is thermometer. Air pressure is measured by an instrument called barometer, while the wind speed is measured by the instrument called anemometer. For question number 8. High pressure system usually brings clear and dry weather because high pressure leads to sinking air and stable weather. So, since high pressure is there, there is sinking of air that hinders the existence of clouds and condenseness of the clouds. This leads to clear and dry weather. High pressure in qilleensi akka inni dhidhimu taasisa. Qilleensi dhidhime immoo itituu hin danda'u. Duumessa uumuu hin danda'u. Kun immoo samiin qulqulluu fi gogaa akka ta'u taasisa jechuudha. High pressure አለ ስንል የአየር መውደቅ አለ ማለት ነው። ለዚህ ክብደት ስላለው ወደ ሞቃታማ አካባቢ ላይ ይወድቃል። ሞቃት ከመሆኑ የተነሳ ይህንን የወደቀውን አየር አካባቢው ምን ያደርገዋል? እንዳይረጋ ያደርገዋል። ረግቶ ደመናን መፍጠር ጉምን መፍጠር ስለማይችል የጠራ ሰማይና ደረቃማ ዌዘር እንዲኖር ምክንያት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So, C is the correct answer for question number 8. Latitude is a factor that causes the variation in climate over different parts of the world. This means the latitude affects solar energy received in certain areas. Latitude fageenya iddoowwan adda addaa aduu irraa qaban kan ibsudha. Latitude አንድ አካባቢ ወይም የተለያዩ አካባቢዎች ከፀሐይ ያላቸውን ርቀት የሚያመላክት ነው። ስለዚህ ለፀሐይ ቅርብ የሆኑ አካባቢዎች ከፍተኛ የፀሐይን ሙቀት ይቀበላሉ። የራቁ ደግሞ ኦብሊክ ሰያፍ የሆነ የፀሐይን ብርሃን ጨረር ይቀበላሉ። ናኖ አዱት ዲዮ ወር ጅረን humna aduu kallattiidhaan yeroo argatan warri irraa fagaatanii jiran immoo oblique yookiin immoo dalga digirii 45 ifa aduu argatu jechuudha. So B is the correct answer. A is not the answer. Why? Because it dictates about the spatial. For question number 10, of these distractors, tropical region receives the most direct sunlight year round, but polar is far away from the sun rays. Temperate also relatively far in comparison to tropical. So, C is the correct answer. Question number 11. What is the main cause of wind on Earth? Qilleensi lafarratti akka jiraatu sababa kan ta'e maal? አውሎ ነፋስ በመሬት ላይ እንዲኖር ምክንያት የሚሆነው የቱ ነው? A. Earth's rotation, B. Difference in atmospheric pressure, C. Sunspots activity, D. Gravitational pull of the moon. Question number 12. which of the following instruments measures wind speed? ይህንን ቅድም አብራርቻለሁኝ። irran darbaa isiniidhaaf assignment haa ta'u gaaffii 12ffaan hojii manaa isiniif haa ta'u keessaan deebisuu dandeessu dura ibsineerra waan ta'eedhaaf. Okay በቀደሙት ጥያቄዎች ጠይቀናል። እዚህ አልፈዋለሁ። 12ኛ ጥያቄ question number 13 in which layer of the atmosphere does weather occurs? naannoo atmosfeeraa kamitti haalli qilleensaa argama? በየትኛው የከባቢ አየር ውስጥ የአየር ሁኔታ or weather ይገኛል? A thermosphere, B stratosphere, C mesosphere, D troposphere. By the way, barattoota waa'ee troposferaa, waa'ee stratospheraa, waa'ee mesospherii, waa'ee troposferii sirriitti dubbisuu danda'uu qabdu. Jet streamiin eessa keessatti argama? Which one is the coldest? Media of communicationin isfeerii isa kam keessatti ta'uu danda'a? Televizyiniidhaaf, tamsaasa sagalee reediyoodhaaf kan oolu kami kan jedhu isaan kana keessaa dubbistanii sirriitti adda baafachuu danda'uu qabdu. Yoo danda'ame immoo gaaffii viidiyoo kanatti aanee dhufu keessatti qabadheen isiniif dhiyaadha. Okay? ስለ ትሮፖስፈር፣ ስለ ቴርሞስፈር፣ ስለ ስትራቶስፈር፣ ስለ ሜሶስፈር እንደገና ልታነቡ ይገባል። ጄት ስትሪም በየት ውስጥ ነው የሚገኘው? ዲስኢንቴግሬሽን ኦፍ አየንስ የአዮኖች መሰባበር ጨጭቡን አዮኖታ ከኔታው ኤሰት ለቴሌቪዥን ለሚዲያ ኮሚኒኬሽን የሚያገለግለው ከባቢ አየር የትኛው ነው? ከና አደባስተኒ ቤኩ ቀብዶቹ ኦኬ question number 14 a desert climate is typically characterized by a high humidity and rainfall, B low temperature and snow, C high rainfall and dense forest, D low rainfall and high evaporation. Wind is caused by air moving from high to low pressure areas. So the difference in atmospheric pressure is the main cause for the wind on earth. B is the correct answer. For question number 13, the weather phenomena like rain and the clouds are takes place in troposphere. So D is the correct answer for question number 13. Question number 14. Desert climate is typically characterized by A high humidity and rainfall. No, this is not the characteristics of desert. Low temperature and snow. In desert there is no snow, so B is not also the correct characteristics of desert. Amala deserti amala gammoojjiin ta'u maaliif snow yookiin cabbiin naannoo gammoojjii keessatti hin jiru waan ta'eedhaaf. Okay, high rainfall and dense forest says C. No, this is also not the characteristics of desert. So D low rainfall and high evapotranspiration is the correct characteristics of deserts. Question number 15. Which factor directly affecting both temperature and precipitation of an area? A distance from the market, B elevation or altitude, C language spoken, D availability of roads. Question number 16. The wind that blows from the sea to the land during the day is called qilleensi yeroo guyyaa galaana irraa gara dacheetti bubbisu maal jedhama? በቀን ከውቅያኖስ ወደ የብስ የሚነፍሰው ንፋስ ምን ይባላል? A land breeze, B monsoon, C sea breeze, D cyclone. Question number 17. Which of the following causes the earth's season? ወቅቲሌን ቃመ ደች irratti akka mul'ataniidhaaf sababa kan ta'ani kan ወቅቶች እንዲፈጠሩ ምክንያት የሚሆነው የቱ ነው? A distance from the moon, B earth's tilt on its axis, C rotation of the earth on its axis, D the greenhouse effect. Higher elevation receives high precipitation and cooler temperature, while the lower elevation are known with having maximum temperature and low precipitation. As a result, the factors that directly affect both temperature and precipitation in an area is elevation or altitude. Qaamni lafaa baddaatti argamu hanga ho'insaa qabana'aa fi rooba jiidhinsa guddaa kan qabu yoo ta'u, lafa dakee ammoo hanga ho'insa guddaa fi rooba xiqqaa qabaachuudhaan beekama. Kanaaf dhiibbaan jijjiirama tempereecharaa fi jiidhinsa irratti ta'u akka jiraatuudhaaf kan taasise altitude yookiin elevation ta'uu isaati jechuudha. Okay? የመሬት አቀማመጥ የቴምፕሬቸር እና የፕሪሲፒቴሽን ወይም ደግሞ የእርጥበትን መጠን ይወስናል። ደጋማ አካባቢ ቀዝቃዛማ ቴምፕሬቸር፣ ከፍተኛ ዝናብ ወይም ፕሪሲፒቴሽን እርጥበት ይኖረዋል። ቆላማ አካባቢ በተቃራኒው ከፍተኛ ቴምፕሬቸር የሙቀት መጠን፣ ዝቅተኛ እርጥበት የዝናብ መጠን ያገኛል። ሶ ቢ ኢዝ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ፎር ኩዌስችን ነምበር 15. ሲ ብሪዝ occurs when the cooler wind blows from the sea to the land. During the daytime, temperature on the land is higher than on the water bodies. During this, there is low pressure on the land, while it is relatively high on the sea. Guyyaa guyyaa qilleensi ho'aan qaama dachee irratti argama. Yookiin tempereecharii ho'aan qaama dachee irratti argama. Qaama bishaanii caalaa jechuudha. ቀን ቀን ከፍተኛ የሙቀት መጠን በየብስ ላይ ነው የሚገኘው ከውሃማ አካል ይበልጥ። ለዚህ በመሬት አካባቢ ወይም በየብስ አካባቢ ላይ ዝቅተኛ የአየር ግፊት ይገኛል ማለት ነው። ወደ ውቅያኖስ ወደ ውሃማ አካል ስንሄድ ደግሞ ከፍተኛ የሆነ የአየር ግፊት እናገኛለን። ገረ ገላናት ገረ ቃማ ብሻኒ ተወደም ደግሞ ጉያ መሰና ዲባ ቅሌንሳ ጉዳቴ ቱ አርጋም ሶ ዊንድስ ብሎው from the sea towards the land during the day. Why? The wind that found on the sea or on the water bodies is becomes cooler, while the warmer heat is found on the earth. So this is known as sea breeze. Sea breeze jenna jechuudha. Whereas land breeze kan jennu at the night በማታ ጊዜ የሮ ገልገላው the land is becomes colder. ማሊፍ sababni isaa guyyaa ho'a argachaa oolte sana gara galaanaatti gaggeessiteetti waan ta'eedhaafi halkan ni diilalloofti. Dacheen uumama isheetiin daftee ho'iti, daftee qabbanoofti. የብስ በባህሪዋ ቶሎ ሙቀትን ትቀበላለች፣ ሙቀቷንም ቶሎ ትለቃለች። ለዚህ የቀን ቀን ጊዜ ከፍተኛ የሆነ የሙቀት መጠን ስታገኝ የነበረውን በመልቀቅ ሙቀቷ ወደ ውቅያኖስ ወደ ውሃማ አካል በመሄድ ማታ ላይ የብስ ቀዝቃዛማ ትሆናለች። ውሃማ አካባቢ ደግሞ በተቃራኒ ሞቃታማ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ at the night the land is colder than the sea. ቀዝቃዛማ ይሆናል የብስ ከውሃማ አካል ይበልጥ። ቃመ ቢሻኒ ጫላ ቃምኒ ደቼ ገልገለረ ዲለላአታ ገረ ቃመ ቢሻኒ ገረ ገላና ገረ ሃሮት ወደምተን ሞ ሆአታ አጀቹል ማሊፍ qilleensi ho'aan guyyaa dacheen harkisaa oolte dachee irraa gara galaanaatti deemeera waan ta'eedhaaf qaamni galaanaa naannoon qaama galaanaa jiru ho'aa ta'a, moqqaatammaa ይሆናል. Low pressure develops over the sea during night. Okay, yeroo galgala low pressure naannoo galaanaa irratti uumama. በማታ ጊዜ ዝቅተኛ የአየር ግፊት የሚፈጠረው በውቅያኖስ አካባቢ ላይ በውሃማ አካል ላይ ነው። The wind blows from land towards the sea. From land to the sea during the night. During the day, the wind blows from the sea to the land. ከነቀበቹ ቀብዱ እነዚህን መያዝ መቻል አለባችሁ። Good. Valley breeze. During the day, the air at the bottom of the valley becomes warmer. Sululli baay'ee ho'ata gaara caala. Sababni isaa xiyyi aduu madda isaa irraa ka'ee gara poointii isa dhumaatti deemuun achi ho'isa. Kanaaf lafti poointii dhumaa jedhamu lafarratti immoo sulula. Kanaaf sululli baay'ee erga ho'ee booda ho'a isaa gara gaarreenitti ol gadhiisaa jechuudha. Kanaafuu guyyaa guyyaa sululli gaarreen caalaa baay'ee ho'aa ta'a. As a result, air pressure becomes expands. Why? Because there is low pressure in valley areas. It rises along the mountain gara gaarreenitti ol ifamee ka'a jechuudha sulularraa. Kun maal jedhama? Valley breeze jedhama. Valley breeze እንለዋለን. At the night በማታ ጊዜ yeroo galgalaa'u wind over the slope of the mountain becomes cooler. The cooler and the heavier mountain air slides down slope towards the valleys. Qilleensi dilalla'aa fi qabbana'aan gaarreen irraa galgala gara sululaatti gadi bubbisaa jechuudha. ወደ ሸለቆ ይነፍሳል ማለት ነው። ማታ ማታ ከተራራማው፣ ቀን ቀን ግን ከሸለቆማዎች አካባቢ ወደ ተራራማዎች አካባቢ ይነፍሳል ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ሸለቆማ አካባቢዎች ከተራራማ አካባቢ ይልቅ የፀሐይን ሙቀት ስለሚቀበሉ። Good. So the correct answer for question number 60 is C, sea breeze. The wind that blows from the sea to the land during the day is called sea breeze. Okay, question number 70. Earth's tilt leads to the variation of seasons. So B is the correct answer. This means as the tilt of the earth takes place, the varying sunlight angles during the year takes place. Question number 18. Which of these is a form of precipitation? kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessa jiidhinsa kan ta'e kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት እርጥበት የሆነው የቱ ነው? A, fog. B, dew. C, snow. D, haze. Question number 19. Which statement best describes climate change? የአየር ለውጥን በአግባቡ የሚገልጸው የቱ ነው? ጅጅረመ ቅልንሳ ስሪት ካን ኢብሴ ካሚ A. A short term change in weather. B. A permanent rotation of the earth. C. A long term alteration in temperature and weather patterns. D. A sudden drop in air pressure. Fog fi hazing. They are the suspended water droplets. Okay. ጮባ ብሻኒ ረረኤ ሀፈዳ ፎግ ፊ ሄዝ ከንጀን ፎግ እና ሄዝ የምንላቸው ወደ መሬት መምጣት ያልቻሉ ድሮፕሌቶች ናቸው፣ ጠብታዎች ናቸው። ለዚህ እርጥበታማ አይደሉም ማለት ነው። ጂዲን ሰሚቲ ከራብራ ፎግ ጀቹን ዱመስ ዮኪን ጭጋግ የምንለው ነው ፎግ ማለት። ሄዝ ከንጀንሞ አፋን አማርፋቲን ጭራፍ ከንጀኑ So they are a suspended water droplets, not the precipitation. Dew kan jennumo manta yokin tatte kan jedhamu ta'a jechuudha. So snow cabbin qaama jiidhinsaati. So the correct answer is barado, snow, cabbi. C is the correct answer. Climate change is a long-term alteration in temperature and also weather patterns. C is the correct answer. E dictates about weather, not about climate. B is not related to the issue. As a result, C is the correct answer as I have said earlier. Question number 20. What is the main reason equatorial region are warmer than the polar regions? Sababni itti naannoon equatorii naannoo poolarii caalaa ho'aa ta'eef maalin? Tropic አካባቢ ከፖላር አካባቢ ሞቃት የሆነበት ምክንያት ምንድን ነው? A. The equator is closer to the sun. B. The equator receives more direct sunlight throughout the year. C. The sun revolves around the equator. D. The equator has more volcanoes. Question number 21. Which of the following statement about humidity is true? Waa'ee humidity ilaalchise dhugaa kan ta'e kan? Humidity asmalkato unati የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. High humidity means the air is dry. B. Humidity is unrelated to temperature. C. Humidity measures the amount of water vapor in the air. D. Humidity is only found in deserts. Question number 22. What kind of rainfall results when warm air is forced to rise over mountains? A. Conventional rainfall. B. Cyclonic rainfall. C. Orographic rainfall. D. Artificial rainfall. Due to the Earth's curvature, sunlight hits the equator more directly than at the poles, this leading to warmer temperatures than the other regions. A is incorrect because the Earth is nearly the same distance from the sun throughout the year. So distance is not the major factor. C is also not because the sun does not revolve around the part of the earth, but the earth revolves to the sun. D is also not the answer. Why? Because volcanoes may affect local temperatures briefly, but they do not explain a global climate zone. As a result, B is the correct answer for question number 20. Humidity by itself is a moisture. So the term that directly states humidity measures the amount of water vapor in the air is the correct statement about humidity. High humidity means not air is dry, air is moist. Humidity is unrelated to temperature, it says no. Warmer temperature leads to evapotranspiration in humid areas, so they are interrelated. Humidity is found in desert only, it says no. Even humidity is not found in desert. Desert is the remain barren land, so C is the correct answer. The type of rainfall that found on the mountainous areas is known as orographic or relief rainfall. Conventional rainfall is a rainfall that formed when the ground hits air, causing it to rise vertically. This is commonly found in humid areas like that of Baro Akobo region in Ethiopia. Conventional rainfall kan jennu lafti ho'uudhaan ho'i lafa irraa ka'e sun hurki akka ka'u taasisee hurki sun deebi'ee moist ta'ee yoo deebi'ee roobe conventional jenna. conventional የምንለው በሙቀት ምክንያት ኢቫፖትራንስፓይሬሽን ከቅጠላ ቅጠሎችም ሆነ ከውሃማ አካል የሚነሳው ትነት ረክቶ ተመልሶ በዝናብ መልክ መዝነብ ከቻለ ባሮ አኮቦ አካባቢ ላይ እንደሚሆነው ይህንን conventional type of rainfall እንላለን። whereas cyclonic rainfall is caused by the air converging around low pressure systems like storms. The point where the warm and the cold air are attacking each other is known as front. Why? Because cyclonic or frontal rainfall it says. Question number 23. Which of the following is not a natural factor influencing climate? A. Latitude. B. Altitude. C. Ocean currents. D. Type of clothing. Question number 24. One of the following happens to temperature as altitude increases in troposphere. Which one is it? Akkuma altitude dabalaa deemeen troposphere irratti kan ta'u kanneen armaan gadii keessaa akkami? የመሬት አቀማመጥ እየጨመረ በሚሄድበት ጊዜ ትሮፖስፈር አካባቢ ላይ የሚከሰተው ክስተት የቱ ነው? A. Temperature increases. B. Temperature decreases. C. It stays constant. D. Temperature fluctuates randomly. Question number 25. Of the following one is a function of representing an isoheight on weather map. What is isoheight? isoheight ማልን ይበረቶታ isoheight ምንድን ነው? ይህ ቪዲዮ ወሳኝ ነው ስላችሁ በብዙ ምክንያት ነው። ሀር ቪዲዮ ከነ ከሰተ ዴቢ አርገቱ በዚህ ቪዲዮ ውስጥ ዛሬ መልስ ታገኛላችሁ። ስለ isoheight ብቻ አይደለም፣ ስለ isonev፣ ስለ ሌሎችም መልስ ታገኛላችሁ። ዴቢ አርገቱ ዋይ isoheight ቆፈቱን ተይን isonev ማልን isobari ማልን ከንጀሩ ከነም ብሮለ ዴቢ አርገቱ ጀቹ A. Points of equal pressure. B. Points of equal temperature. C. Points of equal rainfall. D. Points of equal elevation. Okay, for question number 23, latitude is natural. ሰው ሰራሽ አይደለም፣ የተፈጥሮ ነው። ኡመማ ማለ ነምቶልቼ ምት ላቲቲዩድን ገኛ ኢዶን ቶኮ አዱ ይራቀብ አንድ አካባቢ ከፀሐይ ያለው ርቀት ነው ላቲቲዩድ የምንለው። altitude elevation የመሬት አቀማመጥ is natural. ocean currents is also natural. type of clothing no. so type of clothing is not a natural factor that influencing climate. Question number 24. As altitude increases in troposphere, temperature decreases. Air pressure also decreases. B is the correct answer. Akkuma ta'um silafa dabala deemuun hangi ho insa hir'achaa dhufa. Dhiibbaan qilleensas hir'achaa dhufa. Points of equal rainfall on a weather map is representing by a isoheight. So an isoheight is a line that interconnecting equal rainfall regions on a weather map. While points of equal pressure is connected on weather map by isobar, and also points of equal temperature by isotherm. Again, points of equal elevation is contour line. Points of equal cloud cover is isonev. Isonev sararoota naannoo duumessa walqixa qaban itti agarsiisuudhaaf kan fayyadamnu weather map irratti. በweather map ላይ ተመሳሳይ የደመና ሽፋን ያላቸውን አካባቢዎች የምናሳይበት መስመር isonev ይባላል። So C is the correct answer for question number 25. Question number 26. What is the name of wind that consistently blow from east to west near the equator? Maqaan qilleensa naannoo equatoriitti baharraa gara lixaatti bubbisu maal jedhama? በኢኩዌተር አካባቢ ከምስራቅ ወደ ምዕራብ የሚነፍሰው ንፋስ ምን ይባላል? A. westerlies. B. polar easterlies. C. trade winds. D. monsoon winds. Question number 27. Which factor causes land to heat and cool faster than water? Sababni lafti yookiin dacheen qaama bishaanii caalaa daftee ho'ituu fi daftee qabbanooftu taasisu maali? የብስ ከውሃማ አካል ይበልጥ በፍጥነት እንድትሞቅና እንድትቀዘቅዝ የሚያደርጋት ምክንያት ምንድን ነው? A. land has lower specific heat capacity than water. B. land reflects all sunlight. C. water evaporates quickly. D. land is always at a lower altitude. The steady winds that blow from east to west around the equator is known as trade wind. This means wind are usually blows from subtropical high pressure areas to the equatorial low pressure zone, typically from east to west. This is known as trade wind. Westerlies blow from west to east, not east to west, in mid latitude, not near the equator. Polar easterlies occur near the poles, not near the equator. Again, why D is not the answer is that monsoon winds are seasonal winds, not permanent or consistent like trade winds. As a result, C is the correct answer. Land has lower specific heat capacity than water. Due to this, it heats and cools quickly than water bodies. A is the correct answer. Question number 28. Why are coastal areas generally cooler in summer than inland areas? A. The air is thinner near the coasts. B. Sea breezes moderate temperatures. C. There are more clouds near the coast. D. Mountains block the heat. Question number 29. Which of the following statements about the greenhouse effect is correct? A. It is completely harmful and should be eliminated. B. It keeps air warm enough to support life. C. It is caused by earthquake. D. It blocks all sunlight from reaching the earth. Question number 30. Which of the following condition is most likely to produce rainfall? A. Rising warm moist air. B. Descending cool dry air. C. Stable high pressure. D. Very low humidity. The sea heats up slowly. The sea heats up slowly and releases heat slowly. This creates cooler air over water bodies that moves to the land. A is not the answer because air thickness does not directly affect coastal cooling. C also not the answer because cloud presence varies and is not the main factor for cooling coastal areas. D is not the answer. Mountain may affect weather but does not explain general coastal coolings. C. Breezes moderate temperature is why the coastal areas are generally cooler in summer than inland areas. B is the correct answer. Greenhouse gas keeps the earth warm enough to support life. This means greenhouse gases trap some of the earth's outgoing heat and maintaining a habitat's temperature. B is the correct answer for question number 29. Rising warm moist air condition is most likely to produce rainfall. Qilleensi ho'ee jiidhinsa qabaatee ol ka'e roobni akka uumamuudhaaf sababa ta'a. Moqqaat እርጥበታማ አየር ተንሳፎ ሲነሳ ዝናብ እንዲኖር ምክንያት ይሆናል። So A is the correct answer for question number 30.
Chaanalii keessan Jio Lesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Jio Lesson 17 Tube chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ. Jio Lesson 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu.